Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today is the number 79. Let's start with our word form, 79. Check your spelling, make sure you got that right. And because the number ends with a 9 in the ones place, it is odd. All right, so we're moving right along to our factors. We have 1 times 79, of course, equals 79. 2 doesn't go in because it's odd. 3, who knows? Let's try it out. 3, let's see if 3 would go in. So 79, and it has to go in evenly. If there's any remainders, that doesn't work. So 3 goes into 7 2 times because 2 times 3 is 6. So track that out. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 doesn't go into 1, so we drop down the 9. 3 goes into 18 evenly, does not go into 19 evenly. 4 doesn't go in because it's odd. 5 doesn't go in because it doesn't end with a 5 or a 0. 6 doesn't go in because it's odd. 7 won't go in because it goes into 70, then 77, and 7 more would pass up 79. 8 doesn't go in because 8 goes into 72, then 80. 9 doesn't go in because it goes into 72, then 81. 10 doesn't go in because it's odd. So we're done. Boom. Done, done, done. All right. So because 1 and 79 are the only factors, this number is prime. A very boring number, but we can play with it as usual. So let's go with our multiples of 79. So practicing our facts. So let's start off with 79 times 2, 2 79s. 2 times 9 is 18, drop the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, so we have 158. Let's do 3 79s. 3 times 9 is 27, drop the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23, 237. 4 79s. 4 times 9 is 36, drop the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31, 316. 79 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45, drop the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 4 is 39, 395. 79 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54, drop the 4, carry the 5. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 49, 494. 79 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Drop the 3, carry the 6. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 6 is 55. 553. 79 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Drop the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 7 would be a 63. 632. 79 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. We drop the 1 and carry the 8. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 8 would be 71. 711. And 10 times any number is that number with a 0 in the ones place. So there's our first 10 multiples of 79, counting by 79s. Let's move on to addition. So our addition, start off with 79 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. Jumping ahead of myself. 79 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11, drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, drop the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Drop the 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 79 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And last but not least, 79 plus 10. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. And there we have our addition. Let me clear off my cards here so we can do subtraction without dumping them on the ground. So subtraction, we're going to start with the last sum of 89 minus 79. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 88 minus 79. 8 minus 9 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 7, nothing. 87 minus 79. 9 from 7 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 minus 7 is nothing. 86 minus 79. 9 from 6 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 7, nothing. 85 minus 79. 9 from 5 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 15 minus 9 is 6. 7 minus 7 is nothing. 84 minus 79. 9 from 4 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 7, nothing. 83 minus 79. 9 from 3 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 13 minus 9 is 4. 7 minus 7 is nothing. 82 minus 79. 9 from 2 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 7 is nothing. 81 minus 79. 9 from 1 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 7, nothing. 80 minus 79. 9 from 0 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making it 10 minus 9 is 1. And we're done with our subtraction. So adding, subtracting, multiplying factors, looking good with our practice. Let's go on to measurement using fraction form. So we'll start off with 79 inches. And we want to convert that into feet. So we know it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to make a fraction of 79 twelfths. And we're going to break that apart into sets of 12 using our fraction addition, backwards addition. So we're starting off with our answer and we're breaking it apart. So we have 12 twelfths. 12 more would be 24. Whoops. Twelfths. I'm sorry, twelfths. Keep that denominator the same. 3 would be 36 twelfths. 4 would be 48 twelfths. 12 more would be 60 twelfths. And 12 more would be 72 twelfths. And we still have 7 left. So that should equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole and 7 twelfths feet. All right. How'd you do? Fix it up if you got it wrong. No worries. Let's go on to the next one. Yards. It takes 36 inches to make a yard. We have 79. So we're going to use our last problem to figure out this problem. It takes 3 12s or 3 feet to make a yard. So here's 3. 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. So we have 36 over the 36 plus we have 3 more here. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36 over 36, keeping our yards in 36. Plus we have 7 over 36. So the top numbers need to add up to our top number, which is 79. And then depending on what length of of linear measurement we're using. So feet, we have 12 on the bottom, yards, we have 36, because that's how many inches it takes to make those. So we have 1 2 whole and 7 36 yards. And that's all we wrote for our standard form of measurement. Let's move on to our metric form using centimeters. So we have 79 centimeters because that's our number of the day. We play with that number. And we know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. We have 79, so we're going to be dividing that. We're taking this fraction and turning it into an addition problem to divide it up. We know we can get 7 tens out of that. So we're going to have 7 or 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 plus the 9. So that would be 7 whole and 9/10 decimeters. Little small, hopefully you can see that. I'm trying to fit it all on my paper. Let's go to metric, or I'm sorry, our meters. It takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. We have 79, so we just have a part of a meter, 79 hundredths of a meter. So there we have our linear measurement, standard form, and metric form. Let's move on to our liquid measurement. So standard for liquid measurement, we're going to start off with ounces. We could go less than that, doing tablespoons, teaspoons, but we're not going to do that. We're going to stay with ounces. So we have 79 ounces is our smallest one that we're going to work with today. We want to change those 79 ounces into cups. Well, it takes 8 ounces to make a cup. So we're going to put that into a improper fraction that we're going to break apart to finally come up with our mixed number. So we know we can get 9/8 out of 79 because 9/8 is 72. So here's 1/8. There's 2/8, which is 16. 3/8 is 24, knowing our multiples of 8. 4/8 is 32. 5/8 is 40. 6/8 is 48. 7/8 is 56. 8/8 is 64, and 9/8 is 72. And 72 from 79 leaves 7. So we have 9 7/8 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 7/8 cups. All right, let's use that to find pints. It takes 16 ounces to make a pint. We have 79 ounces. So the top number is representing the ounces. The bottom number is representing the sets we're putting it in. So to make pints, we need sets of 16. So up here, we're going to put 2 8s together. That makes 16. So we have 16 over 16 plus another set of 16 over 16 plus 16 over 16 plus 16 over 16 plus, well, 8 plus 7 is 15. So then we only have part of a pint. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 whole and 15 16th pints. So if you are struggling with the fraction end of this, just follow along with me, write it down, think it and say it in your mind as we're working so that you start understanding. So here we go. Quarts, it takes 32 ounces to make a quart. We have 79. So we're going to break that apart into quarts using our last problem because 16 plus 16 is 32. 2 pints make a quart. So we have 1 quart there, 32 over 32, plus we have 1 quart there, 32 over 32, plus then we have 15 over 32. All right, so we want the top number to equal that, but the bottom number always stays the same. So we have 2 and 15, 32 quart. And there we have, so far, let's go on to gallons. It takes 128 ounces to make a gallon. We only have 79 ounces. So we have 79 128ths. of a gallon, just a partial gallon.